Founded in 2008, EUP Group is the world's #1 manufacturer of plastic pellets and filler master batch. Since its inception, EUP Group has established many subsidiaries in various fields, including Polyfill in plastic raw materials, YBM in mining, Eurostark in building materials, and EUP Energy in energy. Up to now, EUP Group has proudly exported to more than 124 countries around the world. After 15 years of ups and downs, starting with just one factory, EUP Group now has a system of 9 factories in various fields throughout Vietnam. European Wood Plastic Development and Investment Joint Stock Company is a proud member of EUP Group, is one of the first factories to produce aluminum under the brand Eurostark Aluminum. Our 150,000 square meter factory is located in Southern Industrial Park, Phuc Commune, in Bai City. Eurostark Aluminum's factory has been certified to all major international standard certificates, including BSCI, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, FSC, and Green Label. The manufacturing process starts from the standardized material classification area. We have invested in a large-scale aluminum factory equipped with the most advanced machinery and technology. Our spectrophotometer is capable of analyzing various materials elements, including solids, liquids, and liquid powders. Our factory is fully equipped to meet requirements of process control and R&D applications. The production line is safely operated in accordance with the standards. Our team is highly skilled, proactive, and enthusiastic. The final product must go through the stages of monitoring, measurement, and adjustment to achieve quality and efficiency. We have a capacity of over 2,000 tons per month. Our aluminum engineers, with factory manager, are always present in each new alloy casting batch to ensure that products meet quality standards. Finished products are fully palletized in the warehouse to be ready for domestic consumption and export. The experienced, enthusiastic, and proactive staff are also an advantage of our company. Our business motto is honesty, on-time delivery, and quality assurance. Eurostark Aluminum strives for long-term collaboration and to be a reliable partner to all customers in the domestic and international markets. For more information, please contact us at